want to run a profile through API but not sure how to find the profile ID? Let me show you how to find it. Use the get method to send a request to find exact profile endpoint URL. The base URL varies depending on your pod location. In the param section, include the profile name, project name, folder name, and exact match as true. Include IDS session ID header to pass your session ID. Hit send to get the response. In the response, find the field labeled ID. This is your profile ID. Use it to run the profile via Run Profile API. For more details, refer to description section.